if you're planning to start your own freight brokerage in the United States, you should take a few things into consideration. Now, these things are not just consideration, these are by mandate needed in order for you to become a certified freight broker in the United States of America. This also applies to Canadians that want to do United States freight as a freight broker. Okay, so one of the first things that you need to do is apply for an MC, motor carrier, and DOT, Department of Transportation number. Okay, you need to apply for this via the FMCSA website. The next thing you have to do is also file for a BOC3 processing agent. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to get a UCR registration done. You also need to do an FID number for yourself. This FID number can be done free of charge by contacting the IRS and getting that number from them. And this is for tax purposes. Okay. And your biggest investment that you will have to get is the surety bond. Now, the surety bond is $75,000. Now, you do not need to front that money and have a cash of that money where you have to put it in a trust. That is a way that you can do it, is by having a trust account. However, you can get the surety bond by going through a third party, trusted, certified, and approved legitimate trustee who can give you this surety bond and file it on your behalf with the FMCSA under your MC and DOT number, under which this time your MC and DOT number would become active in the system once they have your BOC3 filing on file and once they have your surety bond on file in their system and database. Once these 5 things are retrieved by you as a business owner, and once, of course, you have your business registration done in the state in which you're deciding to become a business, you will want to think about getting a website done for yourself that can show people or potential customers what kind of freight brokerage services you actually provide for your customers. If you do need assistance with this, we do provide this type of service. You guys can contact me and I will get you in touch with the right people to get you your MC and DOT application done, your BOC3 filing done, your UCR registration done, get you your FEIN number, and in addition to this, we will also help you and assist you with getting your surety bond application completed. With that being said, please give this video a like, a share, a comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you want more news and updates and also education type material for the logistics, trucking, and freight brokerage interconnected industries. Thank you very much. Cheers.